Good evening, YouTube. Boxman Willie here with a pennies. I should have looked at the model number before I started the video. Model number SPXC. This is all letters, no numbers. It's made by Lakewood. I'd say late 50s, early 60s. It's a heavier duty one. It's got the 4 rivet blades. It's got the diffuser on the front of it. I think it needs some bearing work. It kind of makes some noise there when it's on high, but the amp draw runs within normal range. So please excuse my mess here. I'm rearranging some of my fans around here, and so I've got my workbench is all loaded with fans. Anyway, let's go ahead and run through the speeds here. That's high. It's rated for 2.5 amps, so it's running perfectly within normal range. There's medium. You know, some of the noise kind of goes away when it's on medium. There's low. Spin down could be better. It's got, well, I'm not for sure if that's a Redmond motor or not. So let's go ahead and do the startup sound. That's high. I think the spin down's getting a little better now that it's actually limbering up a little bit. It's medium. And here's low. There it is, Lakewood Pennies box fan. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe.